In this video, I'm going to give you a quick, fun, and effective workout in just 5 minutes. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bartram, and all you're going to need is a kettlebell and a whole lot of energy. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go for 5 minutes, and we're going to do the following exercises. Place the kettlebell in front of you. I got a 30-pounder. Come down. Go back like this. Pop up. Grab the kettlebell. Jump. Come down. Put it into a goblet squat. Come up. Go down for a swing. And place the kettlebell back down. Boom. 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 Just like that. We're going to go 10 reps. Then we're going to rest 30 seconds. We're going to go for 5 minutes. And we will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 reps, go. Boom, back, up, jump, down, goblet, boom, swing, down. That's rep 1. That's rep 2. That's rep 3. That's rep 4. That's rep 5. That's rep 6. That's rep 7. That's rep 8. That's rep 9. That's rep 10. Okay, 30-second rest. Turn this thing on. Breathe. That took us 1 minute. Come on. 5 minutes, man. We got this. Here we go. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Woo. Okay. Breathe. Let's go. One more round. You got it. Come on, 10 seconds. Get all that oxygen in. Last round. Come on, we can do this. Let's go, push with me. 5, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, go ahead. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 minutes. Let's go. Oh. Don't tell me you don't have the time. Don't tell me you can't get a kettlebell. Don't tell me you're too old. Don't tell me you're too fat. Don't tell me anything. But yes, Clark, comment below. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. You're awesome. So as much as I hate to say this, I need to, because it helps get this video out to more men just like you who I know can use this information. So please, I want to know what you're looking for. So like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel too. Make it a great day.